Welcome to Gold Workshop UK, where we've been designing jewellery for over 45 years. We're proud to be the jewellers of choice for those seeking something truly unique for the special someone in their life. At Gold Workshop UK, we know that your jewellery goes through a lot. This is why, as well as jewellery design, our goldsmiths and jewellery technicians can carry out jewellery repairs such as stone replacement and resetting, ring resizing, soldering, cleaning and more. With all repairs completed on the premises, we can even provide same-day repairs too. And for those pieces that you're curious about the valuation of, we provide valuations and even jewellery insurance for peace of mind. Here at Gold Workshop UK, custom-made diamond jewellery is our specialty and our passion. All jewellery can be made to order, and we only source the very best ethically sourced diamonds. So whether you're dreaming of creating unique diamond pendants, diamond tennis bracelets and eternity rings, or you're looking for something truly exquisite, such as an engagement ring or diamond set wedding rings, we can turn your dream jewellery into a reality. Do you have old, broken or unloved jewellery sitting around at home? Perhaps a tangled gold necklace or a broken bracelet, or a lonely single earring? Why not make the most of the currently high gold and silver market prices and bring them into Gold Workshop UK? We offer competitive rates and our friendly team of experts are on hand to offer advice. Why not call in and speak to us today at Gold Workshop UK?